Arlington is a gorgeous community, and no one really wants to see someone, overdosing in a public area, right? It's scary. People don't know what to do. Children don't need to see that. The more help we can give, the less, honestly, the entire community, I think, will be impacted.
The Arlington Police Department has teamed up with other communities to get that help. The Metro Boston Project Outreach enhances communication and shares policies between departments in surrounding areas.
We're working, with these 6 other towns and communities to kind of utilize what we've already learned and basically work with them to coordinate, again, kind of best care.
Rebecca Sopolis is the mental health coordinator for the Arlington Police. Together, Sopolis and the officers already have a strong program for responding to overdoses. The goal of Project Outreach is to provide enhanced communication between police departments so there can be local follow-up after a crisis.
Sometimes what happens is someone is overdosing in another town and, say they're an Arlington resident. Our officers don't get that information because it's happened in another town. So another thing that ideally, once we get this off the ground is that information is given to myself or to our officers so we actually can go and assist not only the discharge planning, but also just making sure that everyone is kind of aware of, what that person needs in the moment.
The period immediately following an overdose can be difficult. There is often a lack of education on how to move forward.
Sometimes people just don't even know where to turn. And after you overdose and you're, at a hospital, you kind of just get a packet and you're sent on your way.
To combat the lack of information provided, departments are holding resource and recovery nights. Addiction coaches, recovery coaches, clinicians, and others will be on hand to provide information.
So this is kind of a one-stop shop, so to speak, of all the resources that actually speak to the individualized person.
Reporting for Arlington Public News, I'm Tyler Robichaux.